What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your property name on booking.com. So if you're currently running a business, guys, you have your properties on booking.com, then you know you need to simply sign into the admin portal of Booking, which is, in other words, this is basically your partner's account, right? And once you're inside, in order to change your property name, you just want to go ahead and find those listing properties that you have. And in this case, as you can see, I have this property here. It's not fully uploaded, but it's about 90% done. And you'll be able to see all your listing properties here. Now, to change your property name, it's super easy. Just click on the property itself, and it's going to take you on into the configurations or the settings of the property, right? So you'll be able to see the name of the property. That's normally where it starts, so you can change it. So for example, if I don't want to say Drew Tutorial, I can just say, for example, Drew Castle as an example. Let's say that's the name of it. From here, you just need to go ahead and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it basically saves, and you can just go towards the end. If this is the only thing that you want to change, if you want to change the address, the location, you can also do that as well, and so forth. So let's say I want to change it to this, for example, I can do that, and I can make update to the address and so forth and so forth. Now, each time you make changes to a location and you click continue, it automatically saves. As you can see right now, the upper right hand side, it changed from Drew Tutorial to Drew Castle. Now, once you're done, guys, what you can really do from here is just simply go ahead and, let's say, close this window, because you will now have your home page or your group home here in this section. If I refresh this page, you will see that the name of the property is now changed. So as you can see, it changed from Drew Tutorial to Drew Castle. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you change the name of your property on booking.com.